Matapos naman ang ilang mapapait na pagkatalo, iginiit ni Coach Topex Robinson na ginawa nila itong sandata sa pagbangon at iyon na nagbukas ng daan sa pagbalik ng DLSU Green Archers sa winning column sa kanilang kritikal na panalo kontra UP. Ang detalye sa eksklusibong pag-abante ni Jesse Escanio.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Muling nakabalik sa winning column ang De La Salle University Green Archers matapos talunin ang University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons 87-82 nitong Sabado sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa panalo umabante ang DLSU sa 7-6 na kartada at naputol ang 6-game winning streak ng UP. Pinangunahan ni Mike Phillips ang DLSU sa kanyang 21 points at 14 rebounds habang nagbigay ng malaking tulong si Boris Marasigan matapos kumada ng 17 points. Sa eksklusibong panayam ng Abante Sports Now, sinabi ni Lasal Head Coach Topex Robinson na ginamit nila ang mga talo kabila ang mapait na pagtatapos kontra Adamson bilang oportunidad upang matuto sa mga susunod na laban. Aniya na natili silang magkakasama at patuloy na niniwala sa sistemang kanilang binubuo.
For us kasi we know it's gonna be a tough battle to go through, especially dito sa play against the defending champion. So we took those losses as a learning opportunity for us. We just stuck to each other and sabi ko nga, let's not let these losses slip by without us enjoying the opportunity for us to learn. You know, and then try to sharpen our team. So, experience, we just stuck together and believe in ourselves and what we're trying to do.
Binigyang diin ni Robinson na mahalaga ang panalo laban sa UP, lalo't finals match-up nila ito noong nakaraang season, ngunit hindi pa umano ito tuluyang natutukoy ang pagkakakilanlan ng koponan. Aniya, magiging malaking batayan ang pagharap nila sa Ateneo, lalo't hindi nila malilimutan ang 35-point blowout loss sa first round.
Well, I guess we cannot define it until we get to play against and hopefully compete well against Ateneo. We always have to remember the first round wherein they led by as much as 35 points against us. So we will never forget that, and that's going to be one of the things that we're going to look at coming to our game on Wednesday. But nonetheless, this really is a good win, just like our two losses, back-to-back losses. It's always going to be a learning opportunity. These experiences will always try to ground us in humble.
Dagdag pa niya nakapagbigay ng gaan sa koponan ang pagbabalik ni Amos sa ensayo matapos ang halos 2 buwan. Gayunpaman, inaasahan niyang masusubok pa ito sa darating na laban kontra Ateneo.
Well, again, seeing this on practice for the first time yesterday after I think 2 long months was really a good sign for me. It really kind of lit up the team, knowing that meron pang Mason. So it really makes everybody's job easier, I would say. But again, it's still gonna be tested on Wednesday, so it's gonna be something that we have to take advantage.
Sa huli, tiniyak ni Robinson na tututukan nila ang review ng kanilang mga pagkakamali at posibleng adjustments, lalo na't hindi pa sigurado kung makakalaro si EJ Goliana sa susunod na laro. Susunod na makakaharap ng DLSU ang matinding karibal na Ateneo Blue Eagles sa Miyerkules sa isang mahalagang laro para sa kanilang kampanya papunta sa Final Four. Ako, si Jesse Escanio, Abante Sports Now na.